Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download BlueWallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store and also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box once you are done and type in BlueWallet. Press the search icon once you are done and then look for the BlueWallet Bitcoin wallet application. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your device. Sign in with your Apple ID to get the application begin downloading. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open and you have successfully downloaded BlueWallet application on your iOS device. You can now start adding a wallet and creating as many as you like with the platform. With the application, you can send and receive Bitcoin, manage multiple wallets, and integrate with the Lightning Network for faster and cheaper transaction. So that is how you can easily download BlueWallet application on your iPhone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.